Step into the 2011 Toyota RAV4. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front and rear stabilizer bars, PWR rack and pinion steering, color-keyed rear spoiler, black grille, multi-reflector halogen headlamps, auto-off headlamps, LED rear lamps, audio input jack, active front headrests and tilt and telescoping steering column. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.